Today I wanted to go over a few reasons why I have this greenhouse. There's about five reasons why I wanted to build this greenhouse. Number one reason is, like today, it's just dumping rain out there. And I like to be outside, but I can't work out in the rain all the time. We live up against the foothills of the Cascade Mountain Range in Washington State, and it rains here more than it rains in Seattle. If you go up to my mom's house, up north Skagit Valley area where the tulips grow, it's nice and sunny and warmer up there. It's an hour away, but it's completely different climate. But this greenhouse really gives me the protection that I really wanted, during the spring and the fall months, even in the winter, to keep the weather off of me. So that's my number one reason. I just really enjoy being outside, and this space just gives me that opportunity to come outside and just be with plants. Number two, it allows me to overwinter all of my not hardy annuals. I'll give you an example. Here is a basket of petunias, and these petunias I overwintered, and they're just starting to come out of it, along with this geranium. And these geraniums down here, these geraniums down here. It gives me an opportunity to overwinter plants like my geraniums, like my petunias, like my canna lilies. I have a whole bunch of canna lilies over here. These canna lilies are just starting to come out of their dormancy, and I can start these canna lilies. Here's one over here in the greenhouse, and it just gives me that opportunity to overwinter stuff that I wouldn't normally get. Number three, seed starting in the spring. Man, it just is a real bonus to come out here, start seeds when it's not raining on my head like it is out there. It's just a little bit warmer. It's not that warm, but it's a little bit warmer, 5-10 degrees, and gives me that little extra added, starting time. I can start them earlier. Number four, we have flowers that come out, and I get a jump on the flowers that come out in the springtime when they're not out yet in the garden. So I love that. I love that little extra color that allows me to, just get a little excited for the spring season, the summer months to come. Number five, just gives me a place to store all my stuff, my pots, all my fertilizers. It just gives me a great little space to come in, like a man cave. I come out here and tootle around a little bit and get away from my wife and family and get out of their hair for a while. Just go outside, they say. So I really enjoy being in my greenhouse, having that extra space, and I think it came out pretty well. I built this out of cedar and polycarbonate panels. It really was not too bad of a build. I built it over the winter months down at my brother's shop and glued a bunch of boards together, cut them up, and it really came out pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. It's a great little space, and if you guys are like me, want to be outside but just can't stand the weather, get yourself a greenhouse. It's a fabulous little place where you can come and hide, and these plants just make me happy. All right, I hope you guys have a great week. Let's do a little spraying. Look at these tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes. I had about 12 of them that popped up. I like to use a little spray bottle and just touch the tops, keep everything a little moist. It's just water. It's just straight water. My hanging baskets up there, I need to fertilize them. Look at this beautiful hanging basket up here. It's got calabrocoas, some heuchera, some geraniums. There we go. I generally spend about half hour, maybe 45 minutes in the morning just watering stuff in here during the spring. In the summer months, I plant all my peppers in here. It's a nice warm spot and the peppers just grow fabulous in here. Mostly jalapenos. I love that flavor, but I do grow habaneros, serranos, poblanos, that kind of thing, and the cherry tomatoes. Love those cherry tomatoes.